Dis week naija give us everything. One billionaire daughter don born her first baby. One naija winner don come out say her 120 million naira finish after BBL o. And one actress wey estranged husband just lose election dey receive flowers and luxury gift from mystery man. Welcome to Naija Gist Central. Na me be Clara, make I gist you everything. First story, and this one na pure joy and blessing. Temi Otedola, daughter of billionaire Femi Otedola and wife of singer Mr. Easy, don welcome her first child. The pikin come exactly after 1 year after their lavish 3-country weddings across Monaco, Dubai and Iceland. You remember say we been talk about this couple before. The same Temi wey reveal say Mr. Easy dey send her emails when im dey vex instead of to talk face to face. But see them now, 1 year marriage, one beautiful pikin, and love still dey strong. From email wahala to baby joy, congratulations to Temi and Mr. Easy o. This na the kind of update wey dey warm heart. Now make we enter news wey go make you laugh and shake your head small. So BB Naija All Stars winner Phyna, the same Phyna wey win 120 million naira, come out this week come make confession wey shock everybody. Phyna reveal say nobody tell her how to invest her BB Naija money o, and say the money yav allegedly finish after she use am take help her family. Now normally I for feel sorry o, because many Nigerian celebrities don make this kind mistake, win big money, help everybody, forget themselves. That na real and painful story. But, and this na very big but, the same week wey Phyna dey talk about her finish money na the same week wey everybody still dey talk about her brand new BBL surgery wey she just do. Hey. So Naija people begin dey ask, if your 120 million finish, where you get money to do BBL? You get money for BBL but no money for investment. You get money to enhance your body but no money to build your future. And the internet don drag her from morning till night. People talk say you just do BBL and you dey tell us say your money don finish. Which kind level be this? Others say at least she dey honest, better than those wey dey pre ten d say everything dey fine. But the one thing wey pain people pass na this: she come out publicly to say the money don finish o, for social media for everybody to see. Some people call am shameless, others say she dey brave, but me I call it Phyna being Phyna. The real lesson here, 120 million naira na serious money o, but without financial education, even billions fit disappear o. Naija people dey produce plenty winners, but na very few people dey teach them wetin to do with the money after the show don end. This last story be like karma, na the karma story of the week. So as we all know, Regina and Senator Ned Nwoko been dey serious wahala since 2025. Domestic violence allegation, drug test drama, custody battle for their 2 sons. Ned erased the pictures from their mansion. The whole Naija people don follow this story since. But this week, God show himself o. Ned Nwoko go for Delta State senatorial primary election for May 18, and the man lose. He lose to former Delta State Governor Phyna, the billionaire senator. With all him money and connection, he collect defeat for him own world. And trust Naija, dem begin dey connect the dots. Before Regina leave, Ned dey win elections. Now Regina don comot, him don lose. Even one person write, when Regina mama say Gina help am win elections, maybe she was not exaggerating at all o. But that no be the best part of it o. The best part of wetin Regina herself dey do while Ned dey lose election. Regina post photos of one luxury red gift box, one beautiful flower, bouquet and one handwritten note from a mystery admirer. She dey smile, she dey glow, she dey shine, completely unbothered by everything wey dey happen. The whole internet burst. Who send the gift? Who write the note? Is she in a new relationship? Nobody knew though, and Regina no talk. She just dey smile and dey post. And as if that no dey enough, Regina don announce say she dey resume her annual Children's Day party for May 27 after a long break. The woman wey bin dey cry about custody, wey bin dey fight for her children, is now throwing a party for children. She don also return to Christianity after her crashed Muslim marriage, and people dey reaction strongly to that one too. So make I paint the full picture for you. Ned lose election, Regina dey receive mystery flowers, she return to church, she dey throw party for Children's Day. The woman don move on completely, my queen. But my take for these three stories: Temi, Otedola, God bless your home and your daughter. This na the result of building love on the right foundation. Amen. Phyna, the BBL and the finished money conversation wey dey happen at the same time, na the real gist. But I respect her honesty. At least she talks the truth. Next time, invest first, enhance later. And for Regina Daniels, this woman na the definition of comeback. Why her estranged husband dey lose election, she dey receive mystery flowers, and the flow she dey throw party for children. Whether the marriage dey right or wrong, Regina don choose herself and she dey win. Who you think say wey send Regina that mystery gift? Drop your guess for the comments. I dey wait If this gist entertain you today, abeg like this video, share am for your WhatsApp, and subscribe to Naija Gist Central for fresh Naija gist for pidgin every week. God bless una plenty, and see una for the next video. It is sign out.